Congratulations on your new Moduleo floor. With proper installation, care, and maintenance, your Moduleo floor will deliver comfort and beauty for years to come. Before we get started, let's review a few outstanding features of your floor. Moduleo features a unique click and locking system that has revolutionized installation for LVT. Whether you're a professional installer or a do-it-yourselfer, you can install Moduleo luxury vinyl tiles and planks. The proven ESQ locking system makes it easier to install than other flooring applications, which saves you time and money. So it's easy, simple, quick. In addition, no adhesive is necessary, which means less mess and cleanup, and any household tools needed for installation you will likely already own. The materials you will need to install your Moduleo LVT click flooring include tape measure, square ruler, utility knife, small hand roller, chalk line. Because of Moduleo's thickness and durability, it can be installed over most existing floors with little prep work. Acceptable underlayments include wood, concrete, ceramic, marble, non-cushioned vinyl flooring. Moduleo luxury vinyl tiles and planks can be installed over radiant heated floors that are approved by the manufacturer for the use of their product with resilient vinyl flooring applications. The surface temperature of the floor should not exceed 85 degrees Fahrenheit or 29 degrees Celsius. The system needs to be turned off 24 hours prior and during the installation. Unacceptable underlayments include carpet, laminate, cushioned vinyl, VCT below grade. Before installing over concrete, test the substrate for excessive moisture. Moisture levels of concrete slabs before, during, and after installation must be 8 pounds or less per 1,000 square feet per 24 hours using an anhydrous calcium chloride test according to ASTM F1869. pH must be between 5.0 and 9.0, or if using ASTM F2170 in situ probes, should be less than 90% RH. In some instances, it may be necessary to adhere the LVT to special needs areas such as steps, ramps, and/or landings. Acclimate the cartons of flooring a minimum of 24 hours before installation in the area it is to be installed. Conditions are required to be between 65 degrees Fahrenheit and 85 degrees Fahrenheit, or 18 degrees Celsius and 29 degrees Celsius, before, during, and after installation. Cartons should be evenly stacked no more than 5 high on a flat surface and away from any heating, cooling ducts, or direct sunlight. Before you begin, the surface beneath the floor must be sufficiently prepared in advance to ensure a successful installation of the flooring. Fill any low spots in the subfloor greater than 3/16 of an inch in a 10-foot span with a Portland cement leveling compound. Ceramic tile and embossed flooring will require skim coating with a Portland-based patch to avoid bottom-up pattern telegraphing. Remove any existing floor molding. Removal of wall baseboards is optional, as quarter round can be installed to avoid baseboard removal. Undercut door jambs so the 1/4-inch expansion space is maintained, allowing the LVT to slip under door jamb or case molding. Sweep the subfloor clean and ensure it is free of all contaminants. Once your subfloor is smooth and clear, you're ready to begin installing your LVT. Make certain that you inspect your luxury vinyl planks or tiles prior to installation to ensure that there are no visual defects. Check the tongue and groove of each plank or tile to assure that it is free of debris or damage. Do not install flooring with visible defects. If visible defects are present, contact your retailer immediately. To achieve maximum aesthetic appearance, we recommend mixing planks or tiles from 2 or 3 cartons from the same production. The advantage of Moduleo Click products is that it allows you to choose your own starting position and direction. You can also work one plank or tile at a time. Because walls are not always straight, you should snap a chalk line for your first row to follow. Maintain a 1/4 inch expansion space around all walls and use transition strips between your Moduleo flooring and other adjoining floors. Quarter round or baseboard molding will cover this expansion space. You must also maintain the 1/4 inch space around cabinets, pipes, toilet flanges, and any obstacle in the floor. For plank installation, we recommend staggering the end joints a minimum of 6 inches. For tile installation, we recommend staggering the end joints a minimum of 3 inches. Do not install 4 corners together, as this will not provide a stable installation. To click the end joint of the plank or tile together, click the short side of the plank or tile vertically into the previous one by pressing it by hand and rolling it with a hand roller to ensure a fully compressed, tight fit. For tile, use the same technique. To click the length joint of the plank or tile together, lift slightly to engage lock, shifting it to properly match the end joint against the previous plank or tile. Rotate downward, clicking together for a tight fit. Use a small hand roller or seam roller to press and lock the compression fit end joint. Lock groove to tongue or tongue to groove for this application. For tile, use the same technique. If there are any gaps, we recommend using a small scrap piece of plank or tile with a lock on the edge. Lock the scrap piece to the area requiring tapping and lightly tap the edge of the material. This will bring the plank or tile edges tight together. Cut the plank or tile by scoring through the top wear layer with a utility knife, then snap the plank or tile across the score. Install adjoining rows as you did the first, one piece at a time. Holding the plank or tile at a slight angle, place it against the profile in the first row. Rotate the plank or tile down to secure the end joint, assuring that there are no gaps along the joint. The adjoining planks or tiles are aligned by sliding the long joint into position, shifting it to properly match the end joint against the previous plank or tile. Repeat until you reach the final row of material. To install the final row of planks or tiles, you will usually need to cut them. We recommend the following: lay a panel on top of the last row installed. Lay another plank or tile against the edge of the wall. Mark the plank or tile underneath. Cut the plank or tile through the wear layer and snap along the score. Install the last row, leaving ample expansion space. When installing moldings, make sure no nails or screws enter the vinyl flooring or the expansion zone around the flooring perimeter, as it will prevent proper expansion and contraction of the structure and flooring. All transition moldings should provide a 1/4 inch expansion space to avoid pinching the flooring and allow the proper expansion space. Never nail or screw moldings through your new flooring. Make sure furniture legs have wide, weight-bearing, smooth, non-staining plastic floor protectors or non-staining felt pads. The protectors should be at least 1 inch in diameter and rest flat on the floor. The heavier the item, the wider the protector should be. Replace narrow dome furniture rests with weight-bearing, non-staining floor protectors of the appropriate width. If the installation of treads, risers, or wheelchair ramps is needed, the glue-down method should be used using IVC US I-Grip permanent adhesive. Apply the adhesive following the manufacturer's instructions. If you need additional assistance, call our technical information at 1-888-225-8287. Moduleo luxury vinyl planks and tiles can also be used for light commercial and commercial applications. Whether you are creating a chic retail space or a modern office, Moduleo offers you both style and performance. The same easy installation methods as previously shown are used for commercial applications, saving business owners time and money. Plus, Moduleo is extremely low maintenance and easy to clean, allowing facility owners and managers to spend less time taking care of their floor and more time focusing on their business. Please note, warranty exclusions with respect to rolling loads. If you have frequent or heavy rolling conditions, click products can be glued down to help reduce the risk of joint separation from rolling load traffic. However, our warranty still excludes any problems associated with rolling loads. In the event that one of your Moduleo planks or tiles becomes damaged, it is easily repairable. Follow these simple instructions to replace a plank or tile. Score the top of the damaged plank or tile with a utility knife. Make 2 triangle cuts near the end joint and then connect the points with 1 long cut in the middle of the plank or tile. Use an awl or screwdriver to tap down through the plank or tile on the scored triangle cut points. Lift and remove the damaged tile. With the pattern side facing up on the new replacement plank or tile, trim off the short lip on the tongue side and the groove on the compression joint side, making it flush with the edge of the plank or tile. Be careful not to damage the finish surface of the tile. Cut several pieces of acrylic double-face tape made for vinyl floors and slide under the edges of the existing floor on the 2 edges where the replacement plank or tile will have its lips cut off. Tape should face sticky side up. Leave the paper on the side facing down on the floor. Using IVC Flex Seam Premium Seam Bond or an approved secondary alternative, such as Taylor 2062, run a small bead of sealer on the groove edge of the planks or tiles on the existing floor where the replacement plank or tile that has the lips cut off will rest. Note, the long tongue of the replacement plank or tile and the uncut compression fit end joint will not need tape or seam adhesive, as you will be using the plank or tile's locking mechanism. Install replacement plank or tile by sliding the long groove of the replacement plank or tile under the tongue of the floor until the finish edge of the replacement plank or tile is tight against the finish edge of the floor plank or tile and the compression end joint is lined up. Rotate down, locking the long tongue joint, and roll the compression end joint to lock into place with a small hand roller. Wipe any excess sealer that comes to the surface of the tiles with a damp cloth, and follow with a dry cloth to assure all sealer is removed from tile surface. Keep foot traffic off the replaced plank or tile for 24 hours. IVC will not be held responsible for problems that may arise for approved secondary alternative seam sealers. Please contact the approved secondary alternative seam sealers manufacturer with issues. Your premium luxury vinyl tile or plank flooring will provide years of carefree use. Its innovative joint system ensures a tight seal that blocks dirt and dust from accumulating underneath your floor. Plus, the tough protective finish and moisture resistance makes it much easier to maintain than other flooring products. To clean, simply sweep regularly and wash with a non-abrasive floor cleaner. For everyday maintenance, a mop moistened with warm water will suffice. IVC recommends using a neutral pH cleaner. Do not use soap-based detergents, abrasive or mop and shine products, wax, vacuum cleaner with rotating beater bar, high-speed buffer, ammonia or bleaches. However, for spot treatment, a diluted 10-to-1 solution of water and bleach is tolerable for stain removal. Always read the cautionary information on all cleaners prior to use. You can also maintain the beauty of your floor for years to come by taking these simple steps. Prevent indentations and scratches by using non-staining floor protectors or non-staining felt pads on the legs of chairs, appliances, and all heavy furniture. Floor protectors should be at least 1 inch in diameter. Protect your floor from tracked-in dirt by using mats at all outside entrances. Ensure indoor mats have a non-staining backing. Avoid tracking in tar or asphalt from driveways and parking lots, as this may cause discoloration of the floor. Protect your floor against burns. Burns from cigarettes, matches, or other extremely hot items can cause permanent damage. Do not flood the floor or subject it to standing water. Never push, pull, or drag heavy furniture or other items across the floor. When moving furniture or heavy items, always lift and carry the items when possible. Otherwise, use furniture sliders to safely move the object. Following these easy steps, you will be able to preserve the beauty of your floor for many years. If you need additional assistance, call our technical information at 1-888-225-8287. Congratulations! You have successfully installed your Moduleo floor. It is our hope that your new floor brings you and your family years of beauty, durability, and carefree maintenance. Designed with the consumer in mind, your new Moduleo floor is constructed with 2 fiberglass cores that encapsulate a PVC inner layer, which provide maximum strength, flexibility, and dimensional stability. Water resistant, stain, scuff, and scratch resistant, easy to clean and maintain, available in extra long and wide sizes, will not harbor dust mites or other allergens, making it an ideal choice for any room in the home. Plus, its thickness and durability make it an optimum choice. Moduleo's innovative construction and watertight locking system is resistant to water, mold, and mildew. Plus, it is slip resistant. Additionally, Moduleo's vinyl composition provides noise insulation and offers a warmer underfoot than ceramic, wood, or laminate. These small details will make big differences for you and your family's comfort. Again, thank you for choosing Moduleo Floors. Should you have questions or need assistance, call our technical information at 1-888-225-8287.